Hello friend, now welcome to my YouTube video lecture. This is of Swami Vivekananda Institute online classes. In this lecture I will tell you the basic notepad. Okay, so look at that. In edit option we have lots of option in a notepad. So I will give you information about the edit in today's lecture. Okay, so look at that. This is the undo option. Okay, so we have a lots of shortcut key in this undo option. Okay friend, so firstly is undo. So what is undo? Undo means what is wrong on your document you edited, you have to resolve this problem. For example, if I delete my data by mistake, then it will come in undo format. Okay friend. And for example, if I typed something, then it will removed by undo. Okay, so look at that, now all the data are removed because this is my mistake, so that's why I am give undo option. Okay, to the notepad as a command. Okay friend, this is a command which is previously installed in our computer. Okay, by this command the computer will work. Okay, so look at that, the cut option. Okay, I select undo from Control Z. Okay, and secondly we have to select a cut option. We have a second option in edit option. In edit function we have a cut option. Okay, so we have to use cut option. Look at that, if I select this and go to cut and press enter at 4 times 5 times and go to edit option and select paste. Okay, do you understand friends? Secondly we have a copy option. So you have to select your written data and go to copy option, and you have a permission. Then after you have to permission, you have to print anywhere in your document. Look at that, this is a copy paste. Copy paste means your data does not delete. Okay, and it will paste wherever you want. In cut option your data is cut from where you are selected and paste from in which area you have to select on your document. Okay, so this is the difference between cut and copy. Paste is simply for pasting, for example. And next option we have a delete. Okay, so how can we select the delete option? Okay, because you have to select your data and go to delete. It will delete your document, whatever you are typed, or copy or paste something, whatever we have to say. Okay, so select your document and press delete button. It will not showing in bold option because you have not selected any data. Whenever you select some data, then delete will show in dark. Okay friend, and you have to delete, you have a permission to delete. Okay, so next option we have find option. Okay, so the shortcut keys of find is Control F. So look at that, what we have to find. For example, we have to find off. Okay, so where off option is come, we will select from here. Look at that, this only two offs are available in downside. We are go to upsides. First is this, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, not, only 5 off are present. Okay, OF off. If we select 2, for example 2, then look at that, find 2. We are select to downside because it is find the downside. Okay, down, upward and down. Okay, match case means if any document is match, then it will showing 2 2 2. Only 3 2s are present. and no other two are in our document. Okay, so this is a find option. We have to cancel from here and close from here. So we have to cancel it, and next option we have find next. What find next? We have to give some command for find next in find. Okay, go to find, select here find next. If I select upward, then find next will show you the upward. Okay, find next, it is using to find next. Okay friend, go to find and replace. What is a work of replace? For example, if I select 2 into man, man, so wherever the 2 is written, then it will convert into men. Okay, look at that. If I select replace all, it is using for single replacing where your data is to be find 2. Okay, it is only replace here, but if we select the replace all, then it will select wherever the 2 is come, then it will replace all the 2 in man. Okay, and look at that, man, man is, I want to convert man into 2, then it will come in all the man in come in 2. Look at that here. So you have to, so you are clear this topic. And go option means you have where you want to go in document. Select all means you have to select all your data. Look at that, your all data is selected, and if you want to delete, cut, copy, paste, whatever you want, you have to select. Okay, the date and time is a option. Okay, you have to select F5 for date and time. This is a shortcut key of date and time. Okay, so wherever you want date and time, press F5 key. Okay, I will give you a shortcut keys. Okay, look at that, there are lots of shortcut key. Control plus Z, okay, Control plus X, Control plus C, Control plus V. Okay, so I am CRTL plus. Okay friend, CRTL plus Z. Okay, CRTL plus X for cut, for UNDO undo, for cut, for copy, COPY, and for paste, Control plus V for PASTE. Okay friend, and Control plus F for for find, F3 for, look at here, look at that, Control plus F for which, for finding our next whatever you want, and find next F3. Replace, Control plus H. If I select here Control plus H, then replace option will come, and go to Control plus G. Okay, and select all, Control plus A. Look at that, select all, and date and time, where you want date and time, press F5, or F5 is a function key. Okay, not a F and 5 is a function key. Okay friend, so let's stop here. Today is the 15th of August, our Independent Day. I am very happy today. Please like and subscribe my video. I will thank you. I will very thankful to you. Okay friend, just bye bye. We will meet in next class.